Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the beauty of rustic design and the charm of handcrafted wooden creations. Here, you'll discover a wealth of inspiration for transforming your living spaces into cozy, inviting havens. We delve into various topics, from DIY tutorials and woodworking techniques to tips on sourcing sustainable materials. Our mission is to empower you by providing the tools and knowledge needed to create stunning rustic decor that reflects your unique style. Whether you're looking to enhance your home or simply enjoy the art of crafting, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the artistry behind rustic woodworking and the joy of creating unique pieces that resonate with the beauty of nature. Each episode is designed to inspire and educate, featuring step-by-step guides for projects ranging from simple home accents to more complex furniture pieces. We'll also share insights into the importance of sustainability in woodworking, emphasizing the use of reclaimed materials and eco-friendly practices. As you embark on this creative journey with us, we encourage you to engage with our community, share your projects, and celebrate the natural charm of rustic wood. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to bring warmth and character into your home. If you enjoyed this video, we're confident you'll love what we have in store for you next. Our channel is packed with exciting content that delves deeper into the world of rustic woodworking, home decor, and sustainable living. By subscribing, you'll join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for creativity and craftsmanship. We regularly upload new tutorials, project ideas, and tips to help you transform your space into a cozy retreat filled with character and charm. Plus, sharing our videos with friends and family not only helps spread the love for rustic design, but also encourages others to explore their own creative journeys. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue producing quality content that inspires and educates. So, hit that subscribe button and share the joy of rustic woodworking with those around you. We can't wait to embark on this creative adventure together. Rustic wooden creations embody a timeless appeal, blending natural beauty with functionality. These pieces not only enhance home decor, but also reflect a growing trend in the market towards sustainable and handcrafted items. Celebrating this charm means appreciating the artistry and craftsmanship behind each creation. Sustainable practices in woodworking. The rise of eco-conscious consumers has led to a greater demand for sustainable practices in woodworking. Using reclaimed wood and environmentally friendly finishes not only reduces waste, but also adds character to each piece. This sustainable approach appeals to consumers who value ethical sourcing. The allure of rustic design. Rustic design captures the essence of nature, featuring raw materials and organic forms. Wooden creations, with their unique grains and textures, evoke warmth and comfort, making them perfect for home decor. This style resonates with those seeking simpler, more authentic living spaces. Craftsmanship and artistry. Each rustic wooden creation represents the skill and artistry of the craftsman. From furniture to decorative items, the attention to detail and dedication to quality set these pieces apart from mass-produced alternatives. This emphasis on craftsmanship resonates with consumers seeking authenticity. Home decor trends. In recent years, rustic decor has emerged as a prominent trend in home design. Incorporating wooden pieces into modern interiors creates a harmonious balance between contemporary and traditional styles. This versatility makes rustic woodwork a popular choice among homeowners and designers, creating a cozy atmosphere. Rustic wooden creations effortlessly create a cozy atmosphere in any space. The warmth of wood, combined with its natural imperfections, fosters a sense of comfort and relaxation. Homeowners can use these pieces to transform their living spaces into inviting retreats. The role of small businesses. Small businesses specializing in rustic wooden creations play a vital role in the market. These artisans often prioritize quality over quantity, producing unique items that reflect their personal style. Supporting small businesses fosters a sense of community and encourages local craftsmanship. Customization and personalization. One of the key appeals of rustic wooden creations is the ability to customize and personalize them. Consumers can select finishes, sizes, and designs that suit their specific needs, making each piece truly one of a kind. This personalization enhances the emotional connection to the item. Leveraging online marketplaces. The rise of e-commerce has made it easier for artisans to reach a broader audience. Online marketplaces provide a platform for selling rustic wooden creations, allowing small businesses to showcase their work globally. This accessibility benefits both artisans and consumers. Showcasing beauty and imperfection. Rustic wooden creations celebrate the beauty of imperfection. Knots, grain variations, and natural wear tell a story and reflect the wood's journey. This appreciation for natural flaws distinguishes rustic pieces from mass-produced items, appealing to those who value authenticity. Enhancing outdoor spaces. Rustic wooden creations are ideal for enhancing outdoor spaces. Furniture, planters, and decorative elements made from wood can create a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. These pieces invite relaxation and enjoyment of nature, enriching the overall aesthetic. The influence of minimalism. The minimalist movement has influenced rustic decor, emphasizing simplicity and functionality. Rustic wooden creations often embody these principles, offering clean lines and practical designs that enhance rather than overwhelm a space. This synergy supports the trend toward mindful living. The importance of storytelling. Each rustic wooden piece carries a story, whether it's the history of the wood or the craftsmanship behind it. Consumers are increasingly drawn to items with narratives that resonate with them, making storytelling a crucial aspect of marketing rustic creations. Collaborations with interior designers. Collaborating with interior designers can elevate the visibility of rustic wooden creations. Designers often seek unique pieces to complement their projects, providing artisans with opportunities to showcase their work in high-profile settings. This partnership benefits both parties and enhances market reach. Workshops and DIY culture. The growing DIY culture encourages individuals to explore rustic woodworking themselves. Workshops and tutorials empower enthusiasts to create their own wooden pieces, fostering a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship. This trend also supports local artisans through shared knowledge. Seasonal decor opportunities. Rustic wooden creations offer endless possibilities for seasonal decor. From holiday-themed items to summer outdoor furniture, these pieces can be adapted to reflect changing seasons. This versatility keeps consumers engaged and encourages repeat purchases. Building a personal brand. Artisans can build a personal brand around their rustic wooden creations by sharing their stories and processes. Social media platforms provide a space to connect with customers, showcase work, and build a loyal following. A strong brand identity enhances market presence. The emotional connection to home. Rustic wooden creations often evoke strong emotional responses, as they can symbolize comfort, tradition, and personal history. This emotional connection encourages consumers to invest in pieces that resonate with their values and memories, making them more than just decorative items. The future of rustic decor. As trends evolve, rustic decor will continue to adapt, blending with contemporary styles while maintaining its charm. Innovations in materials and techniques will keep the market fresh and exciting, ensuring that rustic wooden creations remain relevant. We put a lot of time, effort, and resources into preparing this video for you, and we truly hope you found it valuable and inspiring. Your support means the world to us, so if you enjoyed what you watched, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. This not only helps us grow, but also motivates us to continue creating high-quality content that resonates with our audience. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We appreciate each and every one of you for being part of our community. Don't forget to smash that notifications button as well, so you'll be alerted whenever we release our next video packed with more insights, tips, and inspiration on rustic decor and beyond. Your engagement helps us make the content you love, and we can't wait to share more exciting episodes with you soon.